This is an ideal hunting and rec property, and like a lot of great hunting properties, it is off grid. So let's go over some tips for viewing the property. When you get out there, the um, Google Maps link will take you pretty much to about right this spot here. I recommend if you're driving out there, you don't have a jacked up 4x4. I do recommend just parking right here on the side of the road. There's a little low spot in a creek right here that you probably can't cross unless you do have a jacked up 4x4. Um, you walk from that point on out from this Tom Rose Branch Road. You'll see this cabin. It's a neighbor cabin right before you get to the spot, the property line. So once you get to that cabin, it's about 1,100 more feet as you walk along this hollow before you get to the cabin and pond. So overall, it's about 4/5 of a mile from this spot here to this spot, the cabin and pond.